welcome to the channel. I'm here with the whole house clean with me 2020, as well as a Walmart grocery haul in the budget 2020. I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm having a great day today, and basically what I'm going to be doing is showing you what I got from Walmart and what I got from Dollar Tree and what I got from fruit and produce, because that's where we get our cheaper meat. This whole house is a hot mess. If you go in the refrigerator, y'all, it's an even hotter mess. Look at this, y'all, a hot mess. Look at this living room, hot mess, y'all. Okay, hot mess, y'all. Hot mess, hot mess, hot mess. Just a hot, filthy mess, y'all. Okay guys, so first what I'm gonna do is show you guys what I got from the grocery store. Then I'm going to clean up this house because I cannot think straight. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot think straight when the house is messy. Like, it just, my mind is in 50 different places. I need to put away these groceries. So let me hurry up and do this grocery haul. Okay, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so we gonna start off on the dry side. This is supposed to last us 2 weeks, y'all. Okay, 2 weeks. There's only 3 people in our house. It's my my son, me, and my husband. Okay, me and my husband, our son. So basically we got Zartian rice, that's from Walmart. Butter flavor syrup, that's from Walmart. Canola oil, green beans, that's from the Dollar Tree. Equate soap, oatmeal ice cookies, Goya beans, 2 cans of pineapples, Tupperware things, because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put his fruits. I'm gonna put his fruits in the these little containers, make it stretch basically. Then we have 2 of these packs of Jellos, and we have one over here. Those are from Dollar Tree. We have some Swiss Miss rolls because we like to snack in this house. We have pasta sauce. I have 2 things of mashed potatoes from the dollar store, I believe. We don't always eat, you know, homemade mashed potatoes. Sometimes you just feel like whipping up some mashed potatoes with some meat, you know. Then we got some spaghetti sauce from the dollar store. We have 2 packs of these cookies from the dollar store. Then we have some vanilla wafers. We have pancake mix, ice and oatmeal cookies from the Dollar Tree, Pop-Tarts from Walmart, brown sugar cream of wheat. Finally found this. We can never find this anywhere. Get away from the dog mirror, stop. Y'all, they act like Tom and Jerry. And then we have some mandarin oranges, frijos, carotas. Comment if I said that correct, but we got some of these. We got some black eyed peas. Then we have some Cafe Bustelo Spanish coffee, that's for my husband. I drink decaf. We have some more ice milk cookies. We have some barbecue sauce, canola oil, syrup, how you say it, syrup or syrup? You can see that hot mess because I told you I was gonna clean that. Fries from the Dollar Tree, chicken nuggets, 12 pack of Equate burgers. These are $7. Then we have 2 packs of ground beef that I could literally stretch for 4 days because there's only 3 people in this house. 2 packs of sausages from Walmart, beef, smoked sausage, Sara Lee bread, 2 packs of chicken breast from the Spanish store, fruit and produce. This should last us about, these 2 packs should last us a good week and a half, because I usually cut them down the middle, slice the breast down the middle, and then yeah. Bananas, kernel corn from the Dollar Tree. We have some barbecue chips from the Dollar Tree, from Walmart. We have eggs, mozzarella sticks, butter. Then we have 2 packs of rice and some cheese for our cheeseburger. Lemon berry Hawaiian punch, watermelon berry boom, and Polar Blast. We have a pack of water over there and some fruit snacks. That was the haul. So now let's get to cleaning because I could not think straight. I told you when everything's just everywhere, I cannot think straight. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. Alright guys, so what I'm pretty much going to be doing is washing this fridge down with soap and water. Well, wiping it down because I did deep clean it a few days ago. So it just got a little messy and disorganized because, you know, we just, you know, you know how it is. But yeah, I'm going to just wipe it down. Yeah,
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, 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 yeah.
I guess I can't seem to grasp the fact that I'm still in the same place I was at a year ago, or maybe 2. There's still me, but there's no you. I wish I could think these thoughts, but it seems I'm just out of luck. Behind the wall in my mind, I wanna hold on to something I wish that I could find. Behind my closed eyes, I see the future, there you are, but the future seems oh so far. I try my hardest to make something new, but it gets harder to paint the picture that should be you. I'll write a letter, a looping lyric in my mind. Hope you can hear it. Can anyone hear it? There's never been a you. I guess it's a 1 and never 2. Behind the wall in my mind, I wanna hold on to something I wish that I could find. Behind my closed eyes, I see the future, there you are, but the future seems oh so far. I need some inspiration. Where is my muse? At least we're under the same moon. At least we're under the same moon.